Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio with a pan, some Vivid Intense colors that I'm going to pour in there. I'm a lot nervous about doing this. I think I'm going to do just one at a time. That's the Aqua. I'll try and put the name of the colors underneath. This is a custom mix. This is the Phthalo Green. This may or may not work. I've never tried a shovel pour like this before. I'm looking forward to trying it, but I'm not sure that I'm confident yet. This is a yellow green. And I thought about putting a base down underneath, and I decided that I'd rather find out the hard way. This is a Hansa Yellow with a little bit of orange in it. This is the Pyrrole orange. I did decide to put one of these colors into a bottle, and that bottle contains Quinacridone Magenta. I'm not confident, but I want to try this so bad. This is some of the ultramarine blue. And I'll keep whatever I can keep handy. Oh, that's that aqua again. Let's do the aqua again. Aqua blue, I think. Alright, I've pre-primed with Meeden black paint, and I have let dry a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas. I have no idea how this is going to work at all, but I did just figure out that I've got some Decoart Americana 24 karat gold that should be a similar viscosity to what I've got. And I do want to use some of it. I probably should have put it in the bottom first. I'm not using the straight Dioxazine Violet because I found that it dries dark, really dark, like almost black. Okay, this is crazy. I'm going to do this now. The one thing I'm sure of is that as I let the shovel relax, it will allow paint to relax out of the... As I stop the shovel, it will allow paint to come out of it a lot faster than with any other mix. I was kind of imagining it might allow it to go further along. There, I got a good batch of gold. Might as well just do it. I don't know what to do with the rest of that, so I'm just going to move along. Who knows how this is going to dry? It's not going to be shiny, that's for sure. I do like moving the shovel along so it creates odd shapes and leaves weird marks. And in this case it seems to be happening fairly frequently. I'm trying to go to places where the colors are still somewhat pure. As in not mixed together very much yet. Well, I don't know about the design, but the colors are pretty awesome. Oh, I like the stripe effect. I'm going to have to try that again sometime. I wonder if I can do this in time. Probably. It's basically just giving into intuition and filling in spaces and hoping for the best. There's a lot of that. Now I kind of wanted some dribbles. I didn't really leave myself enough paint left in my dish. I might squeeze a little bit more magenta right into the shovel and maybe right onto the canvas. And what else? I've got, come on, one-handed, take the lid off, one-handed. Pyrrole orange again. I don't know if I'm saying that or correctly or not. Got one space left. What do I want to do with it? I kind of want to dribble things. And I could do that again. Whatever is open and available is going in this shovel right now because I ran out. Definitely didn't open that enough. I think there's room for some dots. Not sure about that line there at all. but usually I can distract the eye with dots. In this case, they're not going in any particular. They're not enhancing plant forms or anything, but they are working for me. And I like the viscosity of the mix that I'm using, even though it's kind of a learning curve, because I'm trying to use something that's much lighter than I'm used to. It also goes further. What else do I need? Not much. I never put dots inside the shapes, but you know what? There's definitely time for that. Timer hasn't gone off yet, so we're styling. But I should start to tell you guys, I do have an Amazon link, and it's on the link tree, which is under Show More. That's too much gold to waste. Come on. Sometimes you just gotta pour it over the side. And I did use up almost everything in my pan. What else do I want? So I love you guys. There's 28 lists of 100 videos, and they're also organized by topic and genre. If you need some, please, please, please ask. Nobody seems to ask. But if you mention you like a certain thing, then I do often supply a link in comments. So if you have questions, feel free to use comments. I'm loving the dots. The dots are saving the day for me. I'm not unhappy with the colors either. Definitely happy with the colors. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check my Amazon link for my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities are the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. And all the links, all the descriptions, all the tools. Yeah, she's just going to town now. Trying to keep from running anything into anything else. Well, that one can definitely have one. Little heart shape, sort of. I love how it just keeps draining out forever and ever. Alright, so I'm going to try and zoom in before we're gone. We've got 2 minutes. That was fast. I can't wait to see how this dries. It could definitely benefit from a coating of gloss, probably. And I could keep dotting if I wanted to. Which somehow I do, especially right there. That's bugging me. Where else? Right there. Hopefully none of them are too close to anything else, so they won't run into each other too easily. Like I just took that chance right there. Yep, can't stop. Totally obsessed with dots. Dots and spirals. And basically fluid paint. What did I tell you? I told you I was thinking about putting more dots inside the colors, the shapes. And then I didn't do it, did I? But I could. Because I do things often because I can. Alright, so I've teased you long enough. I think the gold will help. Don't forget there's a 15% off Colourarte coupon code, and I am an affiliate, so if you shop Colourarte products, you do help me out, and I really appreciate that. Oh, that's pretty slick. Now, I did a puddle pour, or I did a pour with puddles of paint, and the canvas was warped, which made it a problem. But I did find out that if I leave the paint, the GAC 800 will save me, but it takes twice as long for it to dry. So, I want to say I love you guys. Thanks for stopping. I hope you stop again. I post at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you give me a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. Sharing my videos helps me out. Your comments boost my morale. Your donations through PayPal keep me painting at YouTube, bringing you new tutorials. Come on, I want one right there. I'm not getting it. You could go through with a paintball skewer too, which I like to save. Still obsessed with dots. And you could add more dots still. Alright, what did I not tell you? My email address is eispb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. You can find my website on the link tree along with, I think I said Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, but I'm not sure because this is the second video I made today. I think I'm having a brain cramp. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I will torch this briefly. I do sell my artwork. If you'd like to get in touch with me, please use that email address. The paint pouring recipe for this particular paint, viscosity, is going to be under the video. I will be adding something to thicken it up at some point in time just to see how that works. And that won't be very long in the future. That's coming. So, you guys, take care of each other, take care of yourselves, and say bye for now. Priscilla out. I'll see you anon.